Good evening. Right here, underneath this starlit sky, a timeless adventure is about to unfold. Inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Now, unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
I want to learn the ways of the Force and become a Jedi like my father.
You've taken your first step into a larger work. That's no moon. It's a space station.
Long range report in.
Good 5 standing by.
Coming in, point 3.
Watch that crossfire, boys.
Watch it, you've got one on your tail. I have you now. Commence primary ignition.
Use the Force. The Force is strong with this one.
You're all clear, kid. Now let's pull this thing and go home.
Force will be with you, always.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion.
Baymax, wings. Thrusters.
Flying makes me a better healthcare companion.
Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Dance off, bro.
Come on, Drax. Dance.
There are two types of beings in the universe. Those who dance and those who do not.
I'm Mary Poppins, y'all.
I'm gonna die surrounded by the biggest idiots in the galaxy. Did that look cool?
Yeah, that looked cool.
To infinity and beyond.
There's a place beyond the sky where your stories come alive, and with a leap of faith you might find your spirit guide. A whole new world full of hope, where new beginnings never get old. You can light the way that seems impossible. If you're feeling small, you can fly away. A new adventure's coming your way, and tomorrow's always brighter than yesterday. Let's go right where you wanna be, where the magic feels like family, and you can wish upon a star and never look back. Let's go to the place where dreams come true. You can be you and the hero too. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Just imagine where you go with dreams that soar. Use the thunder in your heart to prepare for the dark, because the path you take ends far from where you start. When it's time to spread your wings, you'll see that everything's in reach. You can change the world if you just believe. If you're feeling small, you can fly away. A new adventure's coming your way, and tomorrow's always brighter than yesterday. Right where you wanna be, where the magic feels like family, and you can wish upon a star and never look back. Let's go to the place where dreams come true. You can be you and the hero too. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Just imagine where you go, with dreams that soar.
Remember, there's no limit to how far you can go when you have dreams that soar.
That show was great, but get ready when you leave the area because it is packed. Right now we're trying to go back to Chicken Guy because somebody wants her drink refill. Yeah, you.
I need a refill after that show, guys.
It was super hot, right?
It was hot. Yes, after the traffic, after the show, after everything, we need another beverage.
Yes. Pretty hot, man.
Because it's summer break.
Look at the back of it. Ready for adventure. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Nice.
I like the water bottle. Wait, this is so cute.
What does it say?
I don't know. Wilderness Explorer.
It's out there.
Why is it sound like this is big in there?
Oh yeah. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's like Spirit jersey.
Yeah.
I like the shorts. I like that. Look at the back. Oh, I would so wear this backpack. Like the Donna side. Oh, that is cool. Donald through the years. That is nice. Let me see. Oh, I gotta get that one. Turn it around.
Somebody put the sleeves in, so it looks like they tried it on or something.
Yup. Can I buy it? Can She is so mean. She's making fun of me because I don't use all my mugs. I use certain mugs, not all of them. The nice ones I keep clean. The other ones I use, the ugly ones. She don't understand that.